feels great because, as I said, I am pretty much new into aquascaping and all that. So just been doing that for 2 years. So getting into this kind of a pedestal in 2 years of time is fantastic. And love to see so many hobbyists around because this is not something which is a very popular hobby in India as of now. But the more number of participants we have and more meets we have like this will really do a world of good to the hobby itself and spread the cheer about aquascaping as a whole. Feels great, great evening, great awards night. Overall, it's a night to remember as far as I'm concerned. I envy the weather here because for planted tanks you need the temperature to be very cold. Unfortunately, I'm from Calcutta where the temperature is very hot and humid, so we need to really invest a lot of money in keeping the temperature cool. But in Bangalore, temperature is a big advantage, so that's something I envy. And definitely, it's a garden city, so naturally lush green. There is a large chunk of Bengalis who are into this. And a lot of people from Kolkata, obviously dominantly it's people from the east and people from south who are into this hobby. I wish there are more participants from west and north, maybe something to look forward to next year. And Sitaram happens to be a friend of mine, so definitely very happy to see him in number 3. More than happy to see Parthu in number 2 because he was actually not making it to the venue, and somehow we just pushed him hard so that he comes here, and it feels great to see him at the number 2 spot.
Yeah, I mean, the awards are bigger, the show is bigger. There weren't things like live broadcast, live feed and all happening last. So that was a surprise when I saw it actually, a live broadcast. So I think this is one of the best things that's happening in India right now, and it's at par pretty much with all the international level contests that are happening. So